Hi guys, today I will tell you how to program STM32 microcontroller with the SWD programming connector. This is the tool by which the programming will be done. So you can download this tool from the Google. This is Google, and you can download it from here. And this version, yeah, or upper version you can download. Okay, this is, I think this is latest version. So now we go to on tools. So this is tool. So this is STM32 ST-Link utility tool. So here is the option sum, open file, save file, and this is connect. So before opening this tool, after opening this tool, you have to require, you have required there is a one USB to SW converter, that is this. Okay, ST-Link V2 programmer or debugger. Okay, so you have to purchase this. So for connect the board, you have to use this. So it is USB to SWD converter. Okay, now we go to on tool. So this is tool. So first you, after making the all connection, you have to click here on connect button. Okay, this is open save file, this is connect, this will connect, this will check the connection. So I click it. So connection is done, connection is okay. If there is no connection, then it will show some error. And this is disconnect the connection. So it is disconnect the connection. You can see here disconnect from the device. Now the connection is disconnect. Okay. So again I connect it. So device family STM32, it will show like that after the connection. And after the connection, so you have to select the file. This is automatic selected address, it will detect the automatically this size. Okay, and controller also it will select. You can, if on your base, if it is not connected automatically, selection automatically, so you can select here what controller, what type of controller you have is your 32-bit, 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit. Based on this you can select. Okay, and these are automatically selected. Now we have to select the file. This is automatically the memory address. So we have to select the where our file is kept. We have to give the path here. Okay, so click here. So our path is automatically, I was doing the programming from this. So this is my file path. So I select this file and open. Now what you have to done, you have to program it. You have to insert this file in the microcontroller. Okay, so connection is already done. So this is the verify the program. Okay, verify program, it will be place the file into the microcontroller. So you have to click on this. So after click, this window will come and you press the start. So programming will done like this. Okay. Now your board is programmed. If there were some error, so it will show some error. Okay. And other button, if you talk about, it is setting, baud rate, something like that. And this is erase the program, full chip erase. If you press this, so our chip will erase all the program. Okay, I click on this. So all the program now erased. Now our chip is plain. Again we have to program the chip. So you go to there, program and start. if you do any chip program again and again, if the programming is you are putting the new file in the microcontroller, so you have to erase the first file first, otherwise your program will overlap and there will be some error. Okay, because I faced this problem by overlapping the file, so then the function of file was not good, function of microcontroller was not as per the expectation. So you have to erase first earlier file then programming. So I hope you got the video how to program the STM32 microcontroller with the ST-Link utility software. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you.